Well, hello everyone. This is Wilson Cole, president of Backdoor Hire Solutions, and then also Adams, Evans, and Ross. And I want to talk to you guys about changing terms inside your contract. And, I tell all of our attorneys that here in our company or that we forward out, this is the specific reason everybody hates attorneys, is it's never black and white, it's shades of gray. And something that we have seen a little bit of a trend, and it's because whenever there's a little bit of a slowdown, attorneys get a little bit more aggressive, debtors attorneys, and they're trying to find reasons why our clients aren't owed. And one of the things is, and this has been an argument that's been used twice this year, we were able to get it resolved on both, but we had to do a lot of pushback on it. And that is where clients adjust their guarantee. Let's say your contract says, you're going to present somebody and they leave within 90 days, then you owe them a replacement. Okay, and it could be a replacement, it could be 60 days, it could be 30 days, it could be 12 months, whatever that timeline is. Where the debtors attorneys are kind of angling in at is, let's say you pick up the phone and it's your client says, hey, you supplied Steve or Betty or whoever, and we're not sure we're going to keep them. We've got a 90-day guarantee. Quite frankly, that's up in another couple of weeks. What we'd like to do is extend out that guarantee for another 30 days or 45 days. Now, two things on that. Number one, hopefully they have paid you, but if they haven't paid you, you've got a bigger problem if they're wanting to extend out the guarantee. But let's say they paid you, and the problem is if you extend out that guarantee, then what they'll do is either offset somebody else that they owe you or take one of your candidates and things on those lines and try to get money back that way. Or if they haven't paid you or if they just recently paid you, they'll put a stop pay, do something along those lines. If you agree to make changes in your contract, and it can be on guarantees, it can also be on other issues. But what the attorneys argue is you changed the agreement, therefore you guys were operating outside of that agreement. So all of those protections that you have inside that agreement, once you start modifying it, the argument from the debtor's perspective is, well, you kind of had a bunch of side agreements. Was it a replacement guarantee or a money back guarantee? And so if they don't pay you, they'll just take the money back and not pay you. So just be careful. Anything that you do outside of the agreement probably needs to be documented. Certainly get with your attorney, have them do an amendment to that agreement, or have them sign a totally new agreement in the future. But you start modifying something that is already in play. I'm not saying you won't get paid. I'm not saying that they would be successful. What I'm saying is you have opened up that door for them to stick that foot in and try to claim that the agreement was modified so extravagantly or so much over the top that the agreement really doesn't exist anymore. So just be careful. If we can help you find Backdoor Hires, certainly visit us at backdoorhires.com. If we can help you with collections, reach out to us at staffingdebt.com. Thank you.
Hey guys, it's Wilson again, and this video was brought to you by Backdoor Hiring Solutions. And if you like the content, make sure that you click the like button, and also if you want to receive additional videos, then please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to learn more about our software, please visit our website at backdoorhires.com. And then also, if you'd like a copy of my free book, The Top 9 Excuses, please click in the video notes below, and there's a link where you can get this book absolutely free. Just simply pay for shipping and handling. Thank you.